Hello my fellow Aldi addict, it's Jackie. It's another week and I'm back at Aldi to do my weekly grocery shopping. I am actually shopping Sunday night because my daughter broke her braces, so we have a last minute orthodontist appointment Monday morning, which means I had to adjust my schedule. But when you're a mom, you do what you gotta do, right? So I'm grocery shopping early so I can still get you the video, and we're gonna go in, get the goods now, and then I'll share with you my week of meals at the end. Still making homemade Lunchable chips and salsa for my son, $1.95. This will get us through more than a week. And Elsie still likes pita and hummus, but they only have wheat, and I know what she would think of that. So I say it every week, we're both probably sick of it, but white bread, $1.29. Already got some blueberries, so I'm gonna get some blackberries now. I'll get 2 of these. I'll just get one, $1.49. Getting a bag of red grapes, they're $1.69 a pound. Cilantro for tacos and salsa, 85 cents. I should have bought a lime at Meijer because I have to buy an entire bag here, but $2.45. $2.65 for a gallon of 2% milk. $2.99 for whipped topping. I'm almost out of butter, $3.18. I'm not sure when we'll eat these, but they look good enough to try. Spicy dill pickles, $2.19. Yellow onions, $1.99. I'm getting 2 tomato sauces for vegetable soup, 43 cents a piece. I'm getting 2 fire roasted tomatoes for vegetable soup, $1.09 each. And then I'm going to get a giant can of crushed tomatoes for salsa, $1.29. Can of sliced potatoes for the vegetable soup, 85 cents. We are out of celery. I use it for lots of different things. $1.69, and my kids like it in their lunch lately. Jalapenos for salsa, 69 cents. And $1.89 for zucchini. They only have organic, which is fine. Since they didn't have pita, I'm gonna get the pita chips. Elsie likes these, $2.89, and then I'll just give her hummus to dip them in. 3 energies. My husband normally likes the extra strength berry, but they're out of it, so let's see what he thinks of grape. Another thing I hate buying, but it's a weekly, $3.18 for juice boxes. These are kind of cute, wine chillers, $7.99. Oh my gosh, that is too cute. A piñata set. So they have a smiley face, a watermelon wedge, and a strawberry. $9.99. I kind of want to buy those without reason. I love the serving trays too. Everything is marked down. I wonder if that's some sort of a marketing ploy, make you feel like you're getting it on sale. They also have these wine beverage coolers, which is interesting. They're really cute. They're $12.99. Lots of flats, different sandals, oil diffuser that looks like a succulent, only $4.99. Umbrellas. I am the world's worst and least interested gardener, so none of this really interests me. The umbrella base is kind of nice, $50. But they have all of these fence panels, hanging baskets, basket stakes. All outdoors is here. I wanted to get pads, but all of the thin ones are gone, which, why? I don't know. So no luck there, but they do have my day and my night cream, which I need, $3.79 a piece. I've been using these for years and I love them. Okay, so they have these Cinco de Mayo chocolates. Dulce de leche, spicy mango, chili, cinnamon hot, and horchata. $3.49, pretty interesting. And then they have these different salsa picante mixed nuts. Those are $4.99 each. Okay, for salsa, I need 2 of these Aldi versions of Rotel, 85 cents a piece. 78 cents for green chilies. And $1.89 for pinto beans. I'm gonna make refried beans. And it looks like they have a 1 bag left of corn tortillas, $1.39. $1.45 for vegetable stock. and $1.45 for beef stock. I've been going through a lot of baking soda because of a dog that's house training. 69 cents. I'm actually going to get two. $2.19 for flour. Well, I wanted to get chuck roast, but they don't have any. So I'm going to have to go back to Meijer. Need more coffee, $4.19. As always, we start with a ham. Lots of gluten-free stuff still. Meatballs. This is looking very deja vu-y. Okay, they have the fettuccine still, stir-fry mixes, beef and broccoli. I'm really honestly not seeing much new. Oh, they do have the Texas Company tamales. They have the pork here, but I love their beef and I really love their bean. My daughter loves bean too. They don't have those though. And they're $8.49, which is a really good price for them. Meatloaf, the chicken breast, lots of different bars. Oh, Funfetti mini pancakes. And oh my goodness, look at all this ice cream. Chocolate covered bananas, Klondike bars. $1.89 for mild cheddar cheese for my hubby. I have a friend coming for lunch and I thought it would be fun to serve this. $5.79. $2.49 for hummus. And $4.49 for guacamole. Okay, I am not taking this as a good sign. I really hope they don't discontinue Bellevue waters, but we'll see. What do you think? 6 of my waters available, 89 cents a piece. When I make my vegetable soup, it's so easy. I do things like this. Mixed vegetables, 87 cents. California medley, $1.09. We just dump it all together and season it well. I'm probably late to the game on this, but these look cool. I don't like popsicles, otherwise I think they'd be fun. But $13.99. And they have a bunch of hanging baskets, $7.99. I didn't see these earlier, $29.99, but they're super cute. I love the blue one. Okay, last minute edition, $1.49. And there we have it. Any guesses on the total? Okay, my total is $92.08. Okay, I was gonna get chips at Aldi, but these look really good for this weekend. So I'm gonna get 1 lime and 1 salt, and they're 2 for $7. Okay, so fruit is just on my list from Aldi, and again, these are on sale for $1.49, so I'm grabbing 3 of them. We love blueberries and they're so easy to add to lunches. So 3 pints at $1.49 a piece. Okay, I need to get ginger just because I don't have any on hand. So it's $3.99 a pound and I'm just grabbing this guy. Cheese for the tacos, $2.29. Ghost pepper, looks good. I'm gonna need coconut milk for a future recipe. This is $2.29. It's not on this week's meal plan, but then I don't have to come back. I was so disappointed. I forgot that my Aldi stopped carrying chicken gravy, so I need to get this. I'm actually gonna get 3, maybe 4 of them, just so I have them on hand. 95 cents a piece, getting 4. Okay, so here's my Meijer haul. Any guesses on the total? My sister's coming to dog sit, and I know she loves these, so I'm gonna get them for her, $1.29. Always start with the M perks. Okay, so I just spent $21.74 at Meijer. Now let's go to my house and see the meal plan for the week. We are starting Monday off with leftovers from the weekend. We have lots of good food. We're gonna eat them tonight. We're gonna go out to eat on Tuesday because it's science night at my kids' school and there's gonna be food trucks there. So we're gonna take advantage and support the school. On Wednesday, we're having veggie soup. Both my daughters requested this. Super simple. I just add a bunch of things with vegetable broth, tomatoes, tomato sauce, and I season it. I don't follow a recipe, but it's simple and it's good. And then I'm making crusty bread. We're gonna have barbecue chicken on the grill or inside, depending on the weather. I'm gonna have canned corn and mashed potatoes with that. We are also driving all the way to Canada this weekend to have dinner with my brother-in-law and his new girlfriend. They are staying in Canada and it's not too far and we can do it. So we're gonna go meet my brother-in-law's new girlfriend. So again, going out to eat on Saturday night as well. Sunday, we're gonna have leftovers. I always make way too much soup. I know my kids will happily eat that. Probably leftover barbecue chicken, whatever. They're gonna have leftovers. And then we're finally gonna have shredded beef tacos. I am making that in a slow cooker. I need to find a chuck roast. Aldi didn't have one. And then I'm going to like pan fry the tacos with that habanero cheese. I'm gonna make refried beans. I'll probably make Spanish rice. I'm really looking forward to that dinner. And that's gonna be on Sunday, so that probably will be Monday's leftover dinner if all goes according to plan. So this is our meal plan for the week. And if you're unfamiliar with homemade crusty bread, you can check out this video right here. It's old, it's one of my older videos, but it's where I share with you how to make homemade crusty bread. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao, Donna, ciao.